With the introduction of the internet in the 1960s, we have been given a massive opportunity to utilize this to make a whole lot of money without having to put in much work of hours and time into money. But of course, this can be a bit overwhelming simply because there are a lot of competitors, there are a lot of people in this world who are actually using the internet as well. So it might be a bit daunting to figure out how to start or where to begin from. But being a student, there are still ways that you can utilize the internet to make money passively and to actually use the internet to spread awareness on whatever business you might own, to make more passive income or to generate some sort of profit from your day-to-day lifestyle. So as a university student, you do have a bit of time where you can actually use that to make money. But with your lifestyle, where you go to uni, you study a lot of the time, why not actually monetize this lifestyle to basically make money on the side, to actually working towards making more money from your degree or from whatever course you're actually studying. So I'm going to give you a few side hustles that you can actually do at university or with the little time that you have, depending on what you're doing as a student, to make more money on the side pretty much. So the first idea that I can actually give is starting YouTube. You're a university student, there are many other people like you who are also looking for ways to simplify their learning, to get to understand whatever they're struggling with so they can actually comprehend the task or the work to pass at the end of the day. If you're really good at whatever you're studying and you actually have a lot of energy and you enjoy what you're studying and you don't mind sharing how you study, your success in it, then YouTube is probably a great idea to begin with. So with YouTube, you have the opportunity to put out content out there that will pretty much stay online for many years. Eventually you will get monetized and you can begin to make money from this years and years down the line. So this might not be you making money immediately, but this is basically you working towards your future. And if you are lucky, if you are someone who already has a lot of followers, a lot of social awareness, then of course you can begin getting monetized in 2-3 months to begin to earn some passive income. So you can actually create content on whatsoever course you're studying if you want to create little bite-sized videos just to help others, or you can create something on your lifestyle. If you're someone who travels a lot, if you're someone who plays games, whatsoever it might be, you still have an opportunity to get into these niches to create content for other people to enjoy. So this is definitely a great way to start making passive income, because you can now link this main source into other areas, which I'm going to get into. So the second idea that you can actually make use of is making courses for people. So there are sites such as Udemy which allow you to make little videos on a course which you can give to people for a certain amount of price. Udemy will take their own cut, of course, but you can actually still use this platform to make money. They make money and everyone's happy. So assuming you're studying something like science, you can make science videos starting from people who are younger than you, or you can make science videos for your actual course, your uni, what you're learning right now. You can create these videos, a bunch of them, put it onto Udemy, and the more people you get to actually buy your course, the more money you will make. It's even better if you have a lot of social awareness. Right now you're someone who's already out there, you have people following your Instagram, you have people on Snapchat, all of that stuff. Then what you can actually do is move your followers from those platforms onto your Udemy. They will get into your course and you can continue to make money in that way. Again, these are videos which you can put out there for many years and they will just stay there making you money every single time down the line. So it's all about putting in the effort now, putting in all the work now, and eventually these videos will begin to make you money in the future down the line. One thing that is really overlooked is scooters. So scooters are something, or is a product that a lot of people at university have been using because it saves you money from having to get the bus, it saves you time, you can get to many places with a scooter, it's not that expensive. So with a scooter now, if you do have one, what you can actually do is rent your scooter. I don't think this isn't illegal, I don't think it's anything illegal. If you do have people who don't want to buy a scooter, but they do need a scooter once in a while to get to certain places, maybe to get to their lectures, to get to, you know, their friend's house, then you can actually rent your scooter for a cheap enough price where they will have your scooter, let's say for 24 hours, for 1 hour, for 3 hours. They can use it, then eventually they'll return it back to you for a small fee. So actually renting out your scooter is a very great idea, just to make little money on the side. You just have to put yourself out there so people know that you are delivering this service. Now, assuming you already have some day-to-day job on the side, what you can actually do now is begin investing. So investing your money into the stock market is a great way to also earn a lot of money. You can either be someone who's a dividend investor, or you can be someone who is investing for growth, but either way you're going to make money in some way, shape or form, depending on how the market is going. So you can begin investing into the stock market, invest into dividends, for example. And what this will do is, based on compound interest for, you know, how long you're in the market for, your money will begin to grow and begin to grow and begin to grow. So for example, assuming you have £1,000, you invest £1,000 into the market, into different stocks that pay dividends, you know, from a range of 2% to, let's say, 8%, 10% now. So you invest into this. Some dividends company pay monthly dividends and some of them pay quarterly. So eventually you're still gonna make money at some point. So what you can actually do, if you're at uni at let's say 4 years, and you just want to invest for that period of time, then, you know, you can invest, let's say, some of your student loan. You can invest money from money you've saved in, like, you know, from years back that are just churning in your bank account. You can invest this money into the stock market, and based on the dividends that you're getting, you can reinvest that dividend, get the compound interest, and you will continue to see how your dividend payout will continue to grow. So now imagine this in this way. You're getting dividends from the stock market, you're getting dividend growth as well, and of course you can sell the stocks if they do grow and get your money back. Also, you have courses, you know, which are making you money. You have YouTube on the side, which is generally some source of income. You can now link all of these together, and you can see the amount of power, the amount of you know, strength that you can see the amount of power that these platforms have in order to make you a whole lot of money. You just have to put in the work up front. You just have to be determined, be consistent, and you can continue to make passive income in the space of 3 to 4 years of you being at uni. So the next idea that you can make use of is Amazon affiliates. You probably heard of this at some point, but what is affiliation? So this is you having products already, and you can sort of monetize this products in order to make you money. So for example, let's use an example. I have these keys, right? Let's just say I have these keys, and I bought this for £10. So I bought this you know, RIP tag here for £10, and other people might like it, they might not like it. But I have a YouTube platform, I have Instagram, I have Snapchat. What I can do is provide the link to this in the description, in the comments, whatsoever the case is. And if people do like it, they will go ahead and buy this for £10. If they're using my affiliate link, what this is gonna do is I will get whatsoever percentage the affiliation is providing. If it's 10%, then I'm gonna get £1 for every single person that purchased this RIP, you know, key tag or whatever. That's pretty much how Amazon affiliation works. The products you have, if people buy into it, whatever percentage the affiliation provides is what you get. So this can range from what's, you know, £10 to £100 to, you know, £500, whatever the case is. You get a share, Amazon is going to get their own money as well, and everybody is happy. So you can really make the most of this simply by, you know, making use of what you already have, especially if you're someone who's really on social media, because social media is a way to really get your name out there, to get your voice out there, to get your products out there. If you have a lot of followers already, then you can simply continue to move all your followers to these different sites. So, you know, your Amazon affiliates, show them what you have, give a review on it as well. You can even give a review of your products on YouTube, so that way you get people who are on YouTube to also follow your affiliate link, so that way they can also buy the products you are reviewing. So finally, you can have your own business. So this is another way to make a whole bunch of money at university, simply because there is less competition. You're not at home, you're not in, you know, a regular place where there's a consistent business going on. You're at university, different year group comes and goes. If you have a great idea, you have a great passion for something, that could be food, that could be cutting hair, that could be, you know, selling your own clothes, not your own clothes, but as in you make clothes and you sell those, then this is a great way to really get people interested in your business. You're at university, you have a great skill in cooking, for example. Now, what you can do is make food for people, simply because a lot of people are too lazy to make food at university. So you make food. If people really, really enjoy your food, they will eat your food. They will tell their friends about your food. Then that friend is going to tell another friend. Now you become the #1 chef at university. And what this will do is, in the space of you being at that uni for 1 to 3 years, you can get to really see how your business performs. And if a lot of people love it, then after uni, you can actually continue this business. So this isn't exactly passive, because it's more of time, you know, will then eventually make you money. But what this is that it's a business on top of all the other things that you are doing. So this is more of a hands down project, but of course, this is another great way to make you money at university. So you just have to really be interested in doing it, have a little side hustle, have a bit of energy, and you can do this once a week. You don't actually have to do this every single time. And the purpose of this business is that it's up to you when you want to actually, you know, work, or when you want to do anything. It's not like a regular day-to-day job where you have to go in every single time and you have no say in what you want to do. So these are just a few short ideas on how to make money as a university student. If you do like these ideas, then I do recommend that you do start now. You know, get your ideas out there, put everything together, do some research to obviously know more on these different ideas, so that way you can see which one interests you the most. Of course, you can do more than one. You can even do all of them if you really have to. That is the power of the internet, pretty much. So if you do enjoy the video, be sure to, you know, drop a comment below to tell me what you think about this video today, or what you think I can add, or what you have also done yourself to make money at university, or even right now if you're not at university. Do drop a like down below to share the content. You know, do subscribe if you do want to see more, you know, financial content. But that aside, take care, guys.